Hey guys, I'm going to walk you through how to get onto IXL today. And so I want to show you that, first of all, when you go to your class link, there should be an IXL icon you can click on and it takes you directly here. But if not, you can go to IXL.com and use the email I sent you this morning. It should have your username and password, but your class link should get you directly to this page. It will say welcome and your first and last name up here. But we want to go to learning, so that's over here in the left corner. And then it's automatically going to say math because it defaults to math, but we want to choose language arts. Because that's what class you're in, and go down here to 8th grade. And we're going to click see all. So it's going to show you all of them, but you're only going to see some of them are highlighted because those are the ones we're looking at for our common assessment this week. The two that I want you to do first are going to be main idea number 1 and analyzing literature number 1. So I'm going to click on this one, determine the main idea. And when I click there, it takes me to some questions that I can answer. So what you're going to do is make sure you answer at least 5 questions with 80% accuracy. And you'll show me that you did that if you're face-to-face, or you will screenshot it if you are a remote learner and turn that into the submission spot. But if you answer 5 and you do not have 80% accuracy, you're going to click here where it says learn with an example. So if I click here, I can read this and learn how to answer a main idea question the best way. It gives me some definitions of the word main idea, and it tells me how to answer this kind of question. So then I can go back to the practice, and I'm able to answer 5 more questions and try to get that 80% or above accuracy for 5 questions. And after that, I'm going to go back to this 8th grade button, and then I can do that other one that I told you we were focusing on today. Not only are you doing main idea, but also analyze short stories under analyzing literature. So I'm going to click on that. Oh. And then it will take me to, here we go, it'll take me to that kind of question. So again, you're going to try to do 5 in a row by getting 80% accuracy on those 5 questions. Answer 5 questions. And then if you're not able to, you'll click on learn with an example, and it tells you how to answer this kind of question. Make an inference. Use the specific details or evidence from the story. So then you can go back to the practice and continuing answering those questions. So you're going to do those 2 first. Again, that's main idea number 1 and analyzing literature number 1. Then you'll be able to choose any of the other highlighted ones. Determine the themes, identify sensory details, anything that already has a star highlighted. Those are the skills that are recommended for you to do for this common assessment. You're going to have a timer set for 30 minutes. So after you do main idea 1 and analyzing literature 1, then you will choose any of the other options to do the same thing. Answer 5 questions with 80% accuracy. Have me check that if you're face-to-face, or take a screenshot of it if you are an at-home learner. And those pictures will go here in Schoology in this assignment. So that's what you're doing today with IXL. If you have any questions, you can raise your hand and let me know face-to-face. Or if you are at home, I will be glad to answer your messages in Schoology.